Hey guys, this is Colton with Paradise Performance. Today we have that 2014 Audi A6 back in for some recon. We're doing some walnut blasting as well as a new water pump, so come take a look. We're gonna carbon clean these valves, and then we're gonna replace this water pump slash thermostat assembly, new belt, new sensor, everything. And then we're also gonna do some motor mounts on it. So once that's all done, there's nothing left to touch on this vehicle. So we should have it up for sale. It was shooting out in streams like all across the vehicle. It was and it's not all the way clean yet, but that is a lot cleaner. All right, cover's off. Left-hand thread, so you tighten it to loosen it. You don't crank downwards. Pull up. So which one of these gaskets let go? All right guys, we just got the old water pump off. It's an original unit. We did notice that, if you come take a closer look here, we had some plastic come apart on it, as well as the gasket just being in poor shape overall. So we got a new unit from Graph, metal unit, all new seals, all new bolts. So we're gonna be going in, getting it all sealed up and getting it back on the road. About to throw some vacuum on this system and see if it's holding. If I hold consistent vacuum, I know there's no leaks, and then I can proceed with my repairs. Otherwise, I'm going back in there. We're gonna go ahead and replace all these fuel injector seals. Once you yank them, best practice is to replace them. So we're gonna go here and prep this intake manifold while we just wait on vacuum. If that holds vacuum, we can proceed with putting it all back together. Until then, let's get this all fixed up.
He was in New York to get his heart done.
All right, so we're gonna toss the intake manifold in now, replace all of the injector seals. So it's just one of those things where we just get active and put it back in. All right guys, we just finished up our recon on this 2014 Audi A6. We just put in some fresh motor mounts, new water pump, as well as a carbon cleaning. It's about to head into our inventory, so head to our website and check it out.